So Charlotte, our gardens have a lot of things the same.
We have a lot of roses.
We do. And we love a lot of the same ones.
Yes.
You like Austin's more than I do.
Well, yeah, but you have more old garden roses
That's
than I
true.
do. Heritage.
And I see that your garden style is more Northern European.
Uh-huh.
And I'm thinking that might be because of your Dutch heritage.
I think you're right. My parents had a large garden when I was growing up, and I saw my families, when we went back to Holland, we saw how other people grew their gardens. So and I like English gardens. I like a lot of different plants together. I have fruit trees, I have a lot of annuals, perennials, I have bulbs. You name it, I want to put it in.
Right in with your roses.
Right, I like to mix them all together because to me that adds more life, and you know, there's always something to look at.
And I think my garden is a little more Southern European. So France has the South, and then Italian. So I think I pick up the vibe from France and Italy, and so I have a little more emphasis on green. I also have gravel paths and all of that.
Which
So
you don't see.
I think that's kind of, you know.
I think that's really true. I didn't realize, you know, when Linda mentioned it, it just clicked. That's exactly it. You know, and you know, it is the difference between, you know, we start with the canvas of roses, and then we just make it our own, and then each location's going to be a little bit. Hers is actually blooms a little bit sooner than mine because it's a little more sheltered, and mine's more wide open. So blooms about, her roses was
A couple of days.
7 to 10 days. I always tell what we do is, she says it's time to check, so we tour each other's gardens at different points in time when we think it's going to be blooming. So we say, do you have any color yet? So we'll take
I invited Charlotte over as soon as there was some color in the buds.
yes, and
There was hardly anything, but
and we'll tour each other's garden and compare and contrast. So that's why we know about the 7 to 10 day lag.